Your business is growing. More locations, more customers, more internet traffic, and, yep, more work. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Managing all those locations and keeping your network running smoothly, maybe you could use a hand. Fusion Connect specializes in multi-location networking. We install, manage, and monitor your entire network, securely connecting every store, every restaurant, every branch office, and every customer. Whether you've got 5 locations or 5,000, we've got you covered. With SD-WAN, we make sure your internet traffic flows smoothly, prioritizing the data that matters most and keeping everything running, even if one connection goes down. Oh, and did we mention price lock and future-proof guarantees? Tired of managing it all? Let us handle the heavy lifting, and you focus on growing your business. We'll keep everything connected, secure, and performing at its best. Because your business deserves a network that works as hard as you do. Step into the future of seamless connectivity with Fusion Connect.